Hey there, it's Dave, back on Budgens of Hinchley Wood's Facebook page. Do not switch off. You might go, oh no, not him again. I'm switching off. Don't switch off because I've got a job offer coming up for you. A nice little cleaning job, 2 hours a day. 2 hours a day. We want it in the afternoon. Cleaning job, 2 hours a day. We need it to start between 4 and 7:30. So you could start at 4 o'clock, at 5 o'clock, at 6 o'clock, at 7 o'clock or 7:30, as long as it's finished by 9:30. You could say, right, I'll come in and I'll do the job. I'll come in at 5 o'clock every day. If something goes wrong, you need to come in at 6 or 7. That's not a problem. We can give you that flexibility. You may go, I don't think I'll do a cleaning job. Tell you what, it'd be a great little job. Hinchley Wood's a fantastic little store with fantastic people in it, led by the King Kumar. We call him King Kumar. He is a king. If you're lucky enough to get this cleaning job, you can actually come behind the scenes and you'll see the king's crown, because King Kumar's got a crown presented to him in a little box, which is hung in the office. So you get to see King Kumar's crown. He runs a lovely shop, lovely people in it, fantastic people that work in the store, and you'll get to work amongst them. Some people go to the gym, don't they? Get some exercise. You got paid to go to the gym. Well, actually, if you come and do some gym work where you're doing your cleaning, because you'll be doing some gentle stretching and gentle bending, and you'll be washing on and maybe wiping off, that's called exercise, and it gets your endorphins going. So why not come in and do this cleaning job and get some exercise? You don't get exercise for free. We pay you to do it. The other thing is, I do Tai Chi. Tai Chi is a very slow movement, and the cleaning can be kind of a slow movement. It could be really good for you, good for your mind, good for your body to get some exercise, and it's also good for the wallet. Get a little bit cash in as well, isn't it? So please give it a serious thought. What are you going to be cleaning? It's just essentially it's wiping down and sanitizing behind the scenes. So it's washing and wiping some walls, not really heavy duty, really scrubbing and all that. You're wiping on and washing off, the sanitizing. You're wiping down tables, chairs, doors, door handles, mopping some floors. There is a toilet that needs to be cleaned, and some people might say, not going to do that because that sounds like poo, but it's only mopping a floor, cleaning a sink, wiping a mirror, and just chucking some stuff down the toilet. It's just wiping some bins down, wiping down a microwave, wiping down a fridge, wiping down the sink areas on a daily basis. It's a small job in terms of 2 hours a week, but it's a really important, vital job that we need to get done every day in the store, because we want to not only be clean because of food hygiene, etc. We want to be clean because we want to be safe because of this nasty old COVID. So really give it a thought. If you're stuck at home, working from home, and you're not getting out and you're missing the interaction of being around people, well, why not come in and do a 2 hour job? You get some cash, like I said, get some exercise, like I said, you get out of the house. Nice. If you are an old person, if you can do this and you can do that and you can bend, touch your toes, you're good enough to do this job. And why not come in? So age is not a barrier. Nothing's a barrier. If you want to go and do the job and you're up for it, we'll give you a tryout. So please get hold of King Kumar. If you come in and work in the store, you'll get to see King Kumar's crown, because King Kumar has got a crown. It's in a presentation case, gold it is, and you come in and you might even get to shine his crown. The store has got fantastic, lovely people working in the store, and I really mean that. And obviously you, the customers, I've met you all individually when I was on the door for months at the start of the COVID epidemic, or whatever it's called. I was there. I met every single one of you, and I can tell you that all the people that shop in Hinchley Wood are fantastic as well. So listen, this really is a serious offer for a job. 2 hours a week. We can be flexible on the time. We just need the 2 hours to be done between 4 o'clock and 9:30 on a daily basis. What's this? Someone's handing me something. See what I did there? Only you can make it happen. So if you want this job, only you can make it happen. Pick up the phone, come in and speak to Kumar. We'll have a chat, have a little interview, a bit like The Apprentice. And if you're lucky, we can take you in as one of us and you become one of the dancers, one of the team in Hinchley Wood. So please, 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 we're really desperate to fill this vacancy. So if you want to get out, no matter how old you are, no matter how young you are, as long as you're like over the age of 18, then please come in and we'd love to talk to you. So thanks for listening. See you around. Take care. Bye.